Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So I'm here with another tutorial. As usual, I'm starting with the safety precautions, wearing gloves and then measuring the epoxy and resin. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make real butterfly pendant with epoxy and resin. So stay tuned. Since I'm using the 2:1 resin and hardener, so firstly I am pouring the resin, then the half amount of the hardener. Resin consistency is quite thick, so be careful while pouring. Now I'm pouring the hardener. Now mix it gently to prevent the air bubbles. I fast forward the video because it takes too much time, but you guys stir it slowly. Here's a butterfly that I found dead, but luckily I have a way to preserve its beauty. So I have decided to make a pendant of this and preserve its beauty for a lifetime. Spread the resin thoroughly to each and every corner. Okay, now put it aside and let it cure properly. It takes approximately 8 to 9 hours. Let one side of the wing properly dry. Then we will apply the resin to the other side until it dries up. Till then, let's make the earrings. Firstly, I am pouring the first layer of clear resin. Using lighter to pop out the bubbles and make sure there is no bubbles inside, and then putting the butterfly wing. It's a fragile thing, so adjust it carefully. Adding some gold flakes to enhance its beauty. There you go, let the first layer properly dry, then we apply the second layer. Okay, so one side of the wing is properly dry. Now we apply the resin to the other side. I have already told you guys it's very fragile thing, so be careful while working on it. Now come to this piece. It's totally dry now and ready to apply the second layer. But firstly, let's make the other earring. Then we will apply a second layer to both of them together. Repeat the process. Again, I'm using the lighter to pop out the bubbles and putting the other wing. Now let it cure properly. Come to the pendant. Now it's fully dried and ready. There you go. It just needs some finishing. This is how it looks from the back. Now the other earring is also dry, so let's demold it. Let's do some finishing by using the sandpaper. Let's smooth the edges of the earrings too. Sand it carefully. Outline the edges by using the black gel pen to give some finished look. There you go. Now it looks more finished and neat. Now we'll do the second coat on the earrings. So here's a gold metallic paint which we will do on the edges. Here's the final look. I like how it's turned out. A slight gold touch makes it more beautiful. Now let's paint the edges of the earrings as well. The earrings is also ready, so let's make a hole by using this hand drill. Time to put a chain on it. Now I'm thinking whether to put a gold chain or a silver one. Let me choose one. I think gold one is look more beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in comment section. I have choose the golden one because the pendant and earrings giving the gold vibes. So yep. Okay, so firstly attach the jump ring. put a chain on it and it's ready. Now let's prepare the earrings. We'll also drill holes in it to attach the jump rings. The holes is done. Now we will attach the jump rings and the earring hooks. There you go. I'll be back with another ready earring. Ta-da! So here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, do subscribe it. Bye bye.